Right, so my name is Jay. This is Life RX Wellness, and in this classes we teach you three things. It's a postural assessment, so find out what's the cause of the problem in the human body, and it's a lot of things can cause the problem. Second one, it's a technique, the manual therapy and massage therapy, how to correct it, and the third one, it's a self grow and how to grow a massage business or spa business in United States. Not just in United States, it's everywhere, because I believe if you get this profession, if you follow the ethic and massage boundary, if you know how to attract your customers, if you know a couple tools, we're going to teach these tools, you will be successful in massage business. And if you're just a massage therapist, and if you would like to grow as a company, as a massage business, we also can help you, teach you. You guys know how to find out. Fill the form. It's in description. And if you need help, we'll be there and ask questions if you need it. From small things to even design the program, the business profile and the business structure. So I have a lot of questions people ask. We can answer all those questions right away. We're going to get slowly. So the person asked me the question, how to find out the price, which price I should charge the customer. And this is very actually big kind of question. If you want a short answer, ask ChatGPT. I'm just kidding. Yes, you can of course ask ChatGPT, but before you ask ChatGPT, I would like you to think with this guy right here, because this guy have to be working. If you everything gonna put on ChatGPT and he gonna answer all your questions, trust me. And at the end of the story, you just gonna don't know what you're doing. So how to find out the price in your area. Let's say you just graduated from the school. It's several options. You might move to some new state, new city, and you got some big experience, or you got small experience. It doesn't matter probably. Just for the new people who just graduate from the school, you need to learn technique right away. Like get to strong hands and practice, and you get there. So the price, what I'm going to probably do if I just move, let's say I move from Madison, Wisconsin to California. So, and what I find out, I start analyze those prices. I was driving down the street and I saw the massage $25 for 1 hour. And I'm like, driving further, it's like $40. And I was so depressed because I'm like, wow, this is like, I just moved from Wisconsin. I charge $97 per treatment, and I came here, and all massages like $40. And of course, this is those tutti frutti places where you just spread the oil on you and then don't do anything, and you don't know where you're going, what kind of sanitation up there, and that was super depressing. So. But I'm going to teach you how to do it. You always analyze the therapeutic massages in your area. So I will go from some most expensive spa to regular prices. And like I said, in your neighborhood or neighborhood you would like to serve. Let's say because North Hollywood and Beverly Hills, it's a different price in massage therapy. So if I'm focused on Beverly Hills, I'm always try to search those massage businesses and learn the prices. So, and like I said, from the high prices to lower prices, I will probably choose something a little bit above the lowest prices. Let's say if the most expensive massage, like a $400, and regular massage in, let's say Beverly Hills, it's $140, I will probably going to charge, just like I said, to gain my customers. And when I get more customers, if I get regular customers, we're talking about this membership, subscribers. If I get those number, what I need, of course, I'm start raising my prices. And the idea is decrease the time. So get that shorter time and make more money. Let's example, if I start with 127 and I got 50 people, next people is going to be get booked only for 147, and I'm let my older customers, I'm gonna raise the price to 147. I might lose like a 10-5 people, but this is increasing the price, is going to give me more time, uh, more same amount of money, but more time. So I'm not going to lose anything. I'm actually gain more time, so I can find more customers who's be paying me more money. And of course, it's like I said, it's all about the knowledge. If you go do continuing education, if you educate yourself, learn some new technique, you can of course apply to your practice and charge people more. But like I said, just do analytic. You can ask the Google, you can ask Chat GPT. After you make your decision in your head what you're going to charge, you can ask them and see if your number is very close. Yeah, and just good luck, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and we've been talking about this all the time. So what exactly you need to do to become more successful in massage business? All right, this is the how I'm gonna set up my price, and of course put those prices everywhere. And you can do some ads on. You can do some copying if you know. If you can do some specific oils, you can charge for that premium. You can do some stretches after the massage. If you know stretches, you can do some a little bit training if you are have a therapist, the personal trainer license. Make sure you not cross your massage therapy boundary, so you're not doing something you're not supposed to do. Like I know a lot of massage therapists start doing adjustment, and this is not. You're not a chiropractor. You don't want to get yourself in trouble. So I hope it's answered your question, and yeah, good luck with your practice.